Welcome. If you want to change your lock screen wallpaper in your VIVO V21 5G, at first you have to go for the settings. Next, you have to go for the lock screen and the wallpaper and pick wallpaper. Accept all of this permission that pops on your screen, and as you can see, we can find here the default wallpapers that we have on our smartphone, but also we can set our favorite picture. To make it, you have to click on the right upper corner right here, then accept the permissions, and here we get the screenshots or recent photos, so we can decide. But if you want to select, for example, this one, just click here and then pick the size and click on the lock screen. But I will go for the default wallpaper, so I would like to apply this one, for example. So click, tap to apply, and then select to make it on the lock screen. Take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.